Don't forget about Alkaline. Remember, say, the same Kartel fans, they try to lock out Alkaline because him not show homage to Vybz Kartel, and they could never.
A few moments later.
Same Jamaican people make Alkaline stay or him stay right now.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Wagon, you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah man, you know things said. So people, Neko fire run out. Me didn't know say this I go forward still, you know. You see, anytime them want this up the Gaza fans, you know them Java, Alkaline. Yeah man. But more want to know watch the video and hear what go on. You see, cause at the end of the day, what happened to Alkaline and where him go through in a dancehall, it can't rub out. People are gonna always bring it up. You understand? Because it's evident, it's right there. You know, the pain and the fight, the hate turning at somebody where him love. You see it? Yeah man, but people, listen when you go fire, I say.
Let me address the elephant in the room. Everybody always a comment on my video. Why you always talk about Vybz Kartel? Me is a selector, dancehall HR, and a music analyst. And Vybz Kartel are one of the most talk about artists. So I choose to talk about the artists we are the most talk about.
No, Neko fire, I know that, you know. I know that. You can talk about Kartel, you know. But let me tell you what the problem now. You talk the truth. So when it comes to Kartel, you can't talk the truth, you can't talk the reality. You understand? You have to turn on the sheep switch. You see it? Yeah, that you have to do. So you have to tell a bag of lie and exaggeration and overhype and all of them things. They are that. You see me? The power down mentality, all of them little praises, everything. And that you have to do. So you can get the allowance to talk about Kartel. But the way you talk about Kartel now, they don't like that. That's not the right way. You see me? Because them always want the artist thing look good. You see me? Based on whatever I'm doing in the music business. You see it?
I remember saying he's the king of dancehall too. I remember saying full out the arenas them. And him do a lot of great things for music. And he's a part of music. And he play a major part in the music that is out now today because he influenced all people youth them. But him fans them now. They're very delusional about a lot of stuff.
You know, me not like people. This influence thing. I think, you know, exaggerating our way with that statement there. Because, bro, you have to understand, say, brother, and a Kartel alone influence you them. You them influenced by a lot of artists, bro. You understand? Not for them youth, yeah. Them just say certain things because them want to gain the Gaza people them. You understand? That's the problem, bro. Because at the end of the day, most times are the things are the controversy thing with Kartel. From around Movado thing them and the little Gaza thing them and artists I get beat and all of them little thing there. The controversy thing them, brother. You understand? You have artists like Movado. Movado impact the genre too. Because him coming with that type of melody thing there and all of them little thing there, you see me? And him make Kartel start do the little melody thing them in the war and in the song them. Him have an impact. So the artists them when you sing like with melody and all of them little thing there. Artists look up to them too, brother. You see me? You have Beanie, you have Bounty. There's so many artists, but I feel like say we don't want to put the influence on one artist alone. And that's how it work, bro. You understand? A group of artists, the bunch of group of artists can influence a new generation. You see what I try to say? Because not everyone I artists in a dancehall. Right now you have youth born with you. None of them not going to see a Kartel of them artists. You understand? Them are going to look on some young artists. Someone say Alkaline, someone say Massacre, someone say Skilly, someone say that, someone say this. You understand? So that's the problem, bro. You see me? A lot of artists influence the youth them. A lot. You see it, and not just one artist. You see me? So every artist will get them credit just the same. You see it? Not because Kartel have the controversy and certain things. You see me?
So me talk about Vybz Kartel to correct the fans then. We go to the narrative to make it look like say him are the only artist in Jamaica and him are the greatest artist come out of Jamaica and all them thing there. Don't forget about Alkaline. Remember say the same Kartel fans they try to lock out Alkaline because him not show homage to Vybz Kartel and it could never work. And
yes, that's the problem. No for them artists yeah, get chopped in at the moment there. Because them see other artists do it and then go do it. and then go put them career man foot. You understand? We see that happen to many of these artists. Kartel found out from prison, him not giving them the strength. You understand? Which me can't blame him for that because them man are lazy and them weak out. So the easier way, yo, I gotta say Kartel, you know, yo, I start run with the Gaza thing, all of them little thing there. Cause Kartel now tell some of them if say, yo, God, them just a do it because them want the Gaza fan to represent for them. You understand? Alkaline found out and I do him thing. And him become great without using the Gaza strength. You understand? The youth do him own a thing. Enough of them youth where you see fouled up in a dance hall. Enough of them will look and say, yo, you see youth name Alkaline. Enough of them look up to Alkaline. But some of them just afraid to say it because them no want that same fight down industry thing there. If you say, yo, if them say Alkaline, the industry are going to be against them like how them against Alkaline. And that's the problem. You see me?
Without a doubt, Alkaline are one of the most impactful artists we ever bust. Out of the time when Kartel run the place. Now remember, Kartel never win in a clash. Because there's no proof on the internet say Kartel beat Alkaline in a musical clash.
You're right with that, Neko Fire. You see me? You're right with that. But Neko Fire, I know what you try doing, bro. You know when it forward it comes to Alkaline, brother. The Gaza people, they not like this. You know that, Neko Fire. The Gaza people, they not like this, bro. When you can use other artists, if you try with the Kartel thing, Alkaline half limit, bro. Cause this pressure go reach you, brother. I tell you that, youth. You see me? But at the end of the day, you speak some truth. You see me? You speak some truth. At the end of the day, every day them size up Alkaline with Kartel. Every day. You see me? All Kartel are the bigger artists. Them do it every day. Then try to compare, say, yo, me see all man say, yo, Alkaline should have the numbers with Kartel. He should have more numbers than Kartel. Although Kartel in the game for so many years, You understand? Yeah. So it's like, them just want Alkaline for do a Kartel do. That's what them want, but I don't say it work, but Alkaline do him own a thing. He have him own a system. And I just saw the thing work. You see me? But boy, Neko Fire, you put yourself in a serious situation.
And Gaza fans, them couldn't cancel him. And Gaza fans can't cancel Neko Fire neither. Because guess what? No one man run music. Music is run by an entire entity. We build up artists and producers and selectors and we build dancehall.
Tell them again, Neko Fire, tell them again. But look at now, you're a hypocrite too. You are hypocrite too. Because remember with the Alkaline are doing shows and him Alkaline followed out with song. I see him energy, bring down all of them, try to bring down shows. See him like how you say Gaza people, did I try cancel Alkaline? You did I try it too. You did I say, yo, ensure this and ensure that and in not paying an artist. You go up on a campaign, brother. So you know if you talk. You are hypocrite, you have to the same. You see me?
So now one man and him fans them can't cancel nobody in a dancehall.
But it will never happen, brother. Them can't cancel music. Once music reach ears and it's good, people are gonna listen to it. Them can't do nothing, brother. You understand? Them are just some loud people on the internet. That's it. The world now see them. You understand? That's the problem. Them in a little worry about them say, but the world out there now see enough of them people who chat off their mouth.
Them can't do is sabotage people within freedom organization. From Bloom and reach the top of dancehall. But also that can't stop because a perfect example. Say even if them persistent enough and stay focused on music, them can reach the top level. So all I want to say, oh, me always talk about Vybz Kartel. Me talk about music. And Vybz Kartel is a part of music. So get that out there. And
no man, Neko Fire, man. You have to talk like a sheep when you talk about Kartel, bro. You can't talk the truth, bro. You know the thing, you know the code, dog. You understand? You know the code, Neko Fire.
all I know is I don't want to try to cancel Neko Fire. That can never happen. Because guess what? Me bigger than that. Me bigger than Gaza fan base. Neko Fire. Bigger than Gaza fan base. I remember say, even last night when I play SYM, a whole heap of money pull up me get CM. For sure you say, I just see people on the internet to talk. I will meet at the streets and at the party, them I play a Gaza song and I play a Kartel song. And them CM when I give me a whole heap of money pull up CM way. So, I don't understand what I try.
Remember, you know, some of them just talk off them mouth. Some of them just want the attention, and you know, the only way to get it and make them feel like relevant is just forward out and just bash people and bring down. That's it.
When you come out for the social media, delusional thing, one out of love. And remember, real man, no purse.
I wanna see them Jamaican people make Alkaline stay or him stay right now.
No, brother, I say that. Don't say that, brother. Jamaica full up enough lovely people. A wonderful nation. But in everything, you have good and bad. You understand? Don't say Jamaican people, bro. You see me? I know everybody in Jamaica hate Alkaline. It might seems, but it's not everybody. Because if them they hate Alkaline, Alkaline couldn't keep him on a show and sell it out in a Jamaica and ram it out and people are talk about it. You understand? So no man, not say that, brother. And a Jamaica hate Alkaline. Is Alkaline haters them hate Alkaline. Him ups them and people who in some different group. You understand? Example, the Crooks them, the Gaza them, and some other artists who align with the Gaza thing. You understand? Yeah, and cause a Kartel, when you check it, I really the Gaza, like the Kartel thing and the bounty thing, you understand? At them, remember you know, Alkaline not them nothing. When they provoke Alka say something. But when you check it, at them, none for the people them who not rate Alka, them it a follow by them. Because remember Alkaline not do them nothing. Alkaline stay for the media and not do them thing. But just because there is a narrative where him now give man homage and all of them little thing there. So everybody say, oh, the man here style the boss, the man there do this, the man not rate this and man here. So them just use that against the artists. You understand? But it's not every Jamaican. No. Not say Jamaican people. No. Not even label it as that. You see me? You better say, yo, some of the music industry people them. Yeah, better you say that. The dancehall industry. Better you say that. Some of the dancehall industry people them. You see me? Or artists or fans or something. But yes, but when you say Jamaican people, it make it seem like the whole Jamaica hate Alkaline. And it's not. You understand? Because for a man we have the second biggest fan base in a dancehall. And I hate that. You understand? Because when him father Jamaican at the show, people come out for come see him. You see it? Yeah. So you get that wrong, Jenna.
Because you never know something worth until it gone. And that I reaching right now. When the dog did a drop good songs, or better songs back then, all you know do a hate when the dog. And they've not made the song they when they drop. Be a hate.
But you see the problem is not because the song not really go to certain level means say it's not a good song. You understand? I not understand that. Like Alkaline been dropping good music. It's just that whatever in the atmosphere, him is an artist who don't follow the crowd. So if the industry say sing about chopping song, him not go something about chopping. If I sing about Malipop, him not do that. If I sing about that, him not do that. So that's the difference. So when him drop a song, they must say, oh, yo, what this really, or him not diss nobody and them want him for diss somebody. That's the difference. You understand? But at the end of the day, it's not stopping that he's not chopping good music. You understand? Yeah.
You see me? Be a hate. And I make the dog even more antisocial. And I make him hate Jamaican people.
No, brother. Keep on say the Jamaican thing that not go work. Alkaline don't hate Jamaican people. Stop say that. If Alkaline did hate Jamaican people, he wouldn't have time to keep his show in Jamaica. He would be keeping it France, this or United States. Alkaline I keep him showing at Jamaica. Alkaline rate people. You understand? It's just that the people them wanna rate him gonna stay far. You understand? Because look here now. Him no want go around some people and them try to set him up or try to put something on him like based on some wrongful thing or try to bring down him brand. So him kinda stay in him own circle. But him still rate people. Him rate him fans them. Him work with who want work with him. That's the difference. You understand?
I don't do a fight against one another, you know? And Jamaican, realize that Jamaican people are like nothing new or different.
Yeah, man, them not like nothing new or different, man. That's why them lost in the sauce. You see me? Them just stuck one place. You see it? Yeah, them not like nothing different. Remember, say, when tree are growing, leaf change, it turn all drop like trash. Same like seasons. Every season, different thing change. Winter, and then you have whatever spring, and then you see new leaf. Them no want that. That's why enough of these artists, a lot of them fall off after 2 years and 2 years after them boss are right here. You understand? Yeah. So that are the problem. Them not try if you do new things. So that are the so when Alkaline do something and it new, they must say, yo, what this? Yo, this flop, this way. But down the line, he's the one. That's the music where people are always they look a hot song when they might drop it. By the time couple months, that's it. You're not hear it for in the next 5 years or 10 years. That's what you think said.
For them people, that's weird, bro. Who no cause him for stay so now? So no can't ball when no see him now socialize. Because when the dog did that do it, him get hate for it.
Well, I saw it going on. Alkaline just being himself, it kind of showed me a lot how the dancehall space operate. Because for somebody who just do music and dancehall industry thing is about friend and company. You understand? Who you can call if you come do your show, free show, get the links, who you can call, say, yo, can we do a collab? All of these things. So them not really have that type of access where them can call Alkaline and say, yo, come do this, come do that, link up yourself, yo, go yourself, this and that. So that's a problem. You understand? That's why them not rate him. Well, them rate him, because them talk about him every day. But, you see, because him not call them and link up with them. Because remember Alkaline tell us, yo, if him better sit down and chat up with them, he would have be them favorite. I saw it go. In a natural world, if somebody mingle with people, say every man you drive out your Benz and you pass as some youth on the corner every day, you just go about your business. You understand? Them youth they start pre and say, oh that boy brother, him drive out him go. They must start create bad mind and hate just because you just mind your own business and just do your thing. That's just natural, bro. You understand? And then now when you start mingle with them now, them start to disrespect you. Them start to maybe sell you out. Them start to do this. Alkaline say, alright. But that's how I do my thing. Because them people, them not rate me. So why am I for mingle and all of them like thing there with them? If you want to say somebody not rate you, you want somebody who are real there around you. You don't want fake people around you. So all if Alkaline did it and him know say, yo, if them people come around, them are gonna be fake because me an artist and them can come around me now so everything change. Them fake. Because if them the real, all when Alkaline they run then would say, yo, the artist do it, the artist do that. You understand? But we don't know humans there. We don't know a lot of hypocrite, a lot of bad mind thing going on at the space. And I just saw it go. So when people can't get to use you, yeah, them try to fight you down. You understand? All me myself witness that. Once people can't control you, them are gonna try something to get you out or try. You understand? I say a word set. But once them can control you and they can use you, yeah man, them take disadvantage of you, man. You see it. Until you end up in a one hole and them see them go watch you there, they sink. You understand? I say a word set up. So best Alkaline though, just do him own thing. Cause him just being himself for years, it only make the youth get, you understand, big in the industry. You see me? Cause if we Alkaline that never did that work, enough of them people that on him name would not call him now. He would not do them big something, he would not do them something when enough of them artists and all do. You understand? In a film generation, you see it. But I say a thing of people. Just one of them things there, you know? Yeah. The artists I do what I do, man. You see me 13 years in my career. That's great for what the youth I do. So, and there are more years to come. Just watch and see. You understand? Everything will make sense soon. You see me? But people, when they don't know one media facts for the app, big up on yourself. That is it.